Hi, my name is Saurabh. I have been associated with Jay for the last 5 years, and this is the second project that he is doing for us. When we wanted to upgrade from our 2-bedroom to a bigger flat, Jay became a natural choice, having gone through great experience with him in the past. Jay's approach has been extremely systematic from the beginning and a very structured execution throughout the process. The first flat that we did with Jay was based on more of a wooden and traditional theme. But for this flat, we wanted a more colorful and more vibrant theme. So the first phase that we had involved a lot of consultation and brainstorming together on various theme options that we have at the table. I believed in giving the complete artistic freedom to Jay to come up with his ideas and give him a free hand. For the most part, we trusted his acumen and his judgment. He presented to us a lot of options and we had a lot of choices to choose from. And we were always curious what the end result would look like. And believe me, when we saw the final output, it was just marvelous and beyond our imagination. We wanted to go with a colorful theme in our master bedroom. We wanted to go with a mix of lively and traditional theme in the office room that we have. The selection of the laminates, the fabric was done in a mix of online and offline way. For most part, we did a video call and selected all the laminates through that. But for the fabric, I really wanted to see the touch and feel of the fabric. So we made a visit to his office. It was a half-day visit, and we did the complete thing in a matter of 3 to 4 hours. Jay has an extremely skilled set of vendors who know their job very well, who are very disciplined, very courteous and thorough professionals. I had the same experience in my first project and that definitely continued in this one also. So kudos to the team, a great team that Jay has. Jay maintained a complete transparency throughout the process and involved us in every decision making. Really appreciate all the timely delivery and transparency that was maintained throughout the process. I would highly recommend Jay to all the people who would want to transform their houses into homes and create magic out of walls and colors. And I wish Jay and his team all the success in future. Thank you.